Good morning, my dear students. This is the part 5 of chapter 4, integers. The first topic for today is additive inverse. What is the additive inverse? Additive inverse of an integer is the opposite of the given integer. It means for every integer a, there exists its opposite minus a such that a plus minus a equal to 0 equal to minus a plus a. So to elaborate this, I have given you some examples. You don't have to understand really much. Just know that the additive inverse of a positive number is the negative of the same number. That is, if I am asked to find the additive inverse of 11, then the answer will be minus 11. The same way, additive inverse of minus 5 is plus 5. Additive inverse of 0 is 0. So it is just the opposite of the given integer. For a positive integer, it is the negative of that integer. If it is negative integer, then additive inverse will be the positive of that integer. Now the next topic is subtraction of integers. Here we have to follow a rule. According to the rule, to subtract one integer from another, we find the additive inverse of the integer to be subtracted and add to the other integer. It means subtraction is also a kind of addition in integer. Let us elaborate this with one example. Subtract 9 from 3. Here 9 is the integer to be subtracted. So we have to find the additive inverse of 9, then add to 3. So using rule, we have to add 3 and additive inverse of 9. Additive inverse of 9 is opposite of 9, that is minus 9. So 3 plus within bracket minus 9 is equal to, how much we have got? I have drawn the number line to find this. I have reached mine at the point minus 6 if I add 3 plus minus 9, that is equal to minus 6. You can see that in the slide. For more understanding, I have taken some more examples. Example number 2. Subtract minus 8 from 2. Here minus 8 is the integer to be subtracted. We have to add 2 and additive inverse of minus 8. What is additive inverse of minus 8? It will be opposite of minus 8, that is plus 8. Therefore, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Example number 3. Subtract 2, 3, 4, 5 from minus 1, 2, 4, 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5 is the integer to be subtracted. Now we have to add minus 1, 2, 4, 5 and additive inverse of 2, 3, 4, 5. Additive inverse of 2, 3, 4, 5 will be minus 2, 3, 4, 5, opposite of 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, minus 1, 2, 4, 5 plus within bracket minus 2, 3, 4, 5 will be the result of subtraction. In my last class, I have shown you how to find the sum of two negative integers. What we have to do? We have to find the absolute values of the negative integers, then find the sum, and finally we have to put a negative sign before the sum of the two integers. So here absolute value of minus 1245 is 1245. Absolute value of minus 2345 is 2345. Therefore, sum of absolute values 1245 plus 2345, which is equal to 3590. Both the numbers are negative, so the sum will also be a negative integer. Therefore, minus 1245 plus within bracket minus 2345 is equal to minus 3590. Here I shall do some exercises from 4.2. Question number 2. Write the additive inverse of the following. So additive inverse of 49 is opposite of 49, that is minus 49. Number 2, additive inverse of minus 2012 is opposite of minus 2012, that is plus 2012. Question number 6. Simplify minus 3 plus 13 plus minus 9 plus minus 16. I have shown an example of same kind in the previous class. So here what we have to do, we have to separate the positive and negative integers. Here we have only one positive integer, that is 13, and the others are all negative integers. So 13 I have written at the beginning, plus minus 3 plus minus 9 plus minus 16. The next line I have written 13 plus, I have added all the negative integers and put a minus sign before the sum. That is 3 plus 9 plus 16 is 28. As the integers are negative, I have put a negative sign before the sum. Therefore, absolute value of 13 is 13. Absolute value of minus 28 is 28. We have to add one positive and one negative number. So, to find the sum of one positive and one negative number, we have to find the difference of absolute values and put the sign of the greater value before the sum. Difference of 28 and 13 is 28 minus 13, that is 15. The greater number is 28. 28 is negative, so we get a negative answer here. The sum is negative as I have told you earlier. Therefore, 13 plus within bracket minus 28 is equal to minus 15. Question number 7. A lift went up to the 16th floor from the ground floor and then descended 9 floors. On which floor is the lift now? So ground floor is 0. We all know that. So from ground floor, the lift has gone up 16th floor. So from 16th floor, it has come down 9 floors. So the lift started from 0 and it has gone up to 16. From 16, it has come down 9 floors. So the position of the lift will be on which floor? 16 minus 9, that will be on the 7th floor. Question number 8. A car traveled 90 km to the north and then 52 km to the south. How far from the initial position of the car? So I assume the initial position is south. From initial position, the car has moved towards north 90 km. Then it came back 52 kilometers towards south. Therefore, at present, the car is 90 minus 52 kilometer away from initial position. What is 90 minus 52 kilometer? That is 38 kilometer. Therefore, the car is 38 kilometer away from initial position. Classwork you do from exercise 4.2, question number 2 and question number 6, and homework you do from exercise 4.3, question number 1. All questions you try. If you have any doubt, you can contact me in my WhatsApp number. This is all for today's class. Have a great day ahead.